What if I told you that your job may not exist in just a few years? Not because of a pandemic, not because of an economic crash, but because of artificial intelligence. According to Goldman Sachs, artificial intelligence could replace 300 million full-time jobs by 2030. That's nearly the population of the US. Out of work. But here's the catch. Artificial intelligence won't take all jobs, just the ones you're not ready to protect. Artificial intelligence isn't science fiction anymore. It's writing articles, creating videos, diagnosing diseases, and even designing products. From OpenAI's GPT models, to Google DeepMind, to China's surveillance artificial intelligence. The revolution is global and accelerating. Just this year, IBM paused hiring for 7,800 jobs to replace them with artificial intelligence. And Amazon, Meta, and Google are restructuring teams to rely more on machines than humans. Which jobs are disappearing first? Here's a list, and if you're in one of these, it's time to upgrade fast. Top 8 jobs artificial intelligence will replace soon. Data entry clerks. Artificial intelligence doesn't make typos. Basic coders. Artificial intelligence can write full apps in minutes. Accountants and bookkeepers. Automated tax software is replacing them. Graphic designers. Tools like Midjourney and Canva. Artificial intelligence are getting terrifyingly good. Paralegals. Artificial intelligence can analyze legal documents 10x faster. Translators. Multilingual models are almost human level now. Journalists. Many news sites already publish artificial intelligence written content. A marketing firm in India just replaced 90% of its writing team with chat. In Japan, a logistics company saved millions by replacing dispatchers with artificial intelligence scheduling systems. Even Hollywood is under threat. Writers and actors are striking over fears artificial intelligence will take their place. But don't panic. Not all jobs are at risk, at least, not yet. Jobs artificial intelligence can't replace easily. Teachers' empathy and nuance. Mental health professionals, skilled trades, plumbers. Electricians, researchers, and scientists, creative directors and strategists, human leaders. Why? Because these require complex emotional intelligence, creativity, or hands-on experience, areas where artificial intelligence still struggles. So what do you do now? You learn the skills that artificial intelligence can't easily replicate. Top future-proof skills, critical thinking and problem-solving. Artificial intelligence, prompt engineering. Coding especially for artificial intelligence systems. Emotional intelligence and leadership. Storytelling and creative branding. Cybersecurity. Data interpretation. This isn't just about jobs. This is about survival in the artificial intelligence economy. You either adapt or get replaced. The future belongs to those who are not afraid to relearn, reinvent, and outthink the machine. Artificial intelligence is not your enemy. It's your competition and your biggest opportunity. So the question isn't, will artificial intelligence take my job? The real question is, will you evolve fast enough to stay ahead? Subscribe to ByteElevate. Because we don't just talk tech, we prepare you for the future.